Hi everyone, this is Anti here. Welcome to another Life and Wealth Mastery. Today is April 28, 2020, and I'm waiting for the Google earnings report that is due after the trading day today. And I'm just curious, what do you think is going to happen to the stock? Is it going to go up or go down? I would love to hear your comment. Please comment below, and let me go over some of the valuation and tell you a little bit about what my finding about Google, and then you be the judge. Google, or Alphabet Inc., provides online advertising services in the United States and around the world. It operates through Google and other bet segments, and Google products offer such as Ad, Android, Chrome, Google Cloud, Google Maps, Google Play, hardware search, and YouTube. It has a market cap of $875.41 billion. Trailing PE ratio is 25.96. Forward PE is 31.06. The average market PE ratio normally is between 20 to 25 times earnings. So if you compare it to the S&P 500 price to earnings ratio since 1990, the S&P 500 is approximately about 15.8, compared to Google right now is trading at higher. So higher PE indicates that investors expect higher earnings, and normally the high PE means stock is being overvalued at the same time. So you have to really analyze it and see what would be appropriate interpretation for a particular company. Now I'm looking at the revenue is at $161.86 billion, which is great. Gross profit of $89.96 billion. I also like to look at the current ratio. Right now, Google is at 3.37. The current ratio shows how healthy stability of the business. Do they have enough reserves and assets to live through the test of time, such as COVID-19 crisis right now? And you want the higher current ratio, the higher it has in the company, the better. In this case, Google is at 3.37, which is good. And I like to also take a look at the operating margin. The higher the percentage, the better. Average on the economy right now is about 15%. Anything less is considered more risk. And if you look at Google right now, the operating margin is at 22.54%, which is good, higher than average. As of December 2019, Google had a book value per share of $292.65. Book value equal total assets minus total liabilities. This represents a price to book ratio of 4.37. As of January 2020, Google had a debt to equity ratio 0.07, which is really low. This company is solvent. Google currently does not pay dividend. Instead, they reinvest the money into growing the company. And if you have bought Google stock on April 2017 and held it for 3 years to now, you would have seen an average return of 10%. And by the way, comment below what kind of products of Google do you use daily and actually own. If you enjoyed the video, click on the like button and subscribe. That would help out my channel a lot. Now back to Google. I like Google, and I use Google as my personal assistant to turn off and on my light and to do all the tasks around the house. And I use Google Gmail daily. I watch YouTube online that's owned by Google, and I depend on Google Maps to take me around town without getting lost. So overall, if I were to grade Google, as a defensive investment, I would give it an A. As a growth investment, I would give it an A. But as an overall investment, I will give it an A minus. A minus mainly because Alphabet doesn't pay a dividend. I understand Google continue to reinvest the money in creating new products and services, But as an investor, I not only want to look at a growth and good fundamental company to invest in, I like to be able to earn some cash flow along the way, particularly right now given the economy, where many investors feeling the reduction in cash flow in other areas such as real estate or their savings or their businesses. Overall, it is a good stock, and today is a buying day for me. So I bought it around this price, and look what happened. After the closing, it started to shoot up. Oh my God, like right now, 6.20% as I'm speaking. So it is insane. I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity. As you can see, after trading hours is so vital. Okay, sometimes I make some money off this. It's average about 3 to 5% return on my investment. I mean, the next morning, if I don't want that stock anymore, I can easily go in and cash in my profit the next day. Okay, so pay attention to after hours. No one has a crystal ball to predict the market. The hardest thing to do is try to time the market, and you may miss everything. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here sharing with you my opinions and my research. Please do your own research and let me know your thought. What do you think of this stock? Are you going to bullish, meaning are you going to betting it's going to go up, or in your opinion is too overpriced? Let me know. Make a comment below. Are you bullish or bearish? Thank you.